A little instructional video. Now, at the end of pretty much all the videos, I always ask you to subscribe, ding the ding-a-ling, and give us a like. Now, I wondered whether, because people watch YouTube on different things, phone, computer, TV, whether you actually know how to do that. So I'm going to do a little instructional video on the TV, the phone and the computer on how to subscribe, like and ding the ding-a-ling. So come with me and see if we can get this done. Now here we are on the TV. So the best way to do this is choose the video that you want to watch. Hit the select button on your remote. Then you get this come up. Oh. And then use your arrow key or whatever to move up. Then you can go on to the subscribe. There you can say you subscribe. And then you would tick all for the video. So if I unsubscribe for now and then start again, go up, subscribe, click it again, go on to all, and that's that. And then if you go to the right, there's the like button, just click on it and you've liked the video. So that's how to do it on the TV. Laptop or computer, same again, basically bring up the video of the person that you want to subscribe to. There you go, on the bottom of the video you'll have the subscribe, click on that. You've now subscribed, click on it again and ding the all on the ding-a-ling, and over here you've got the thumbs up, click on and it'll highlight, and that is job done. So that's how easy it is, so no excuses. Don't mean to be pushy, but there you go. So thank you, and we'll move on to the phone. Right, on your mobile phone, choose your video. There you go, subscribe, click on subscribe, click on the bell, say all, and there's the thumbs up, click on that. So that's all three methods. Hopefully that helps and encourages you to subscribe, like and ding the ding-a-ling.